What's going on, miners? I'm Chump Change XD. Today's video I want to talk about NEOXA and their brand new GTA 5 roleplay for proof of gaming. Now, they already have this implemented into Minecraft and Rust, and now they're bringing forth GTA for you guys to earn cryptocurrency while you play video games. This is a GPU mineable coin and a proof of gaming coin. I'm going to show you in this video what you need to download to be able to play on this server, what you guys need to do inside the game to be able to earn money, and just like a couple ins and outs of things because the keys are a little tough to understand. And then I'm going to teach you guys how to add your wallet to be able to get paid. So if you guys are into that, let's just dive right in. All right, so first thing you got to do to be able to play GTA 5 is obviously buy the game. So we're going to come to the store and you're just going to search GTA 5. This is going to pop up. Obviously, it's going to say it's for a mature audience. You're going to have to click view page and just confirm your birthday or whatever. Then it's going to give you the full rundown of the game. Now, just scroll down a little bit and you can see the price, $14.80 for the game. You can purchase it and download it directly to Steam. Now, once you're done downloading that, you're going to have to go to another website called 5M. Now, here we are at 5M's webpage. Now, it's just 5m.net. And you guys need to download the client 5m.exe file. Now, once you click download, you're going to see this user agreement. Just hit OK. Nobody reads those anyways. Open up the download, let it do its thing. You're going to see a couple pop-ups, possibly. Just hit yes on this thing. Then you're going to have to log into your Rockstar account and link these two things together. So when you purchase GTA 5 to begin with, make sure you set up the Rockstar account before downloading this. So now once 5M starts, you're going to see down here, it says access to the Steam community while playing. Pops up and you're going to see it says sign into your cfx.re account. You don't really need that. I don't have one. I just exit out. So you can see NEOXA RP is already here because I've already played on this server. All you have to do to find that is click on play right here. And you can see an entire list of servers pop up. You're going to click on the search bar and type in NEOXA. Once you do that, just hit enter and there it is. All you got to do is click connect. Now it's going to take a minute to connect. You're going to see this entire setup here. It says hello Chump Change, whatever your username is, it is going to say that.
This is Raven Beats.
All right, so here we are, man. Inside GTA, this is my redneck character, Bo Jackson. Now, what we have is a bicycle right behind me. When you come out of your apartment after you make your character, you're gonna have a bicycle right there for you to ride. So we're gonna walk up to it. You're gonna hit the E button. You're gonna pick which bike you want. I like Tri Bike 3. It actually goes pretty quick. Gonna hit yes please, and then there it is, you're on your bicycle. Before we go too far though, I'm gonna step off it with the F button. We're gonna hit the T button, type in /wallet, and then we're going to paste our wallet address in there to add it to the server. And you're going to see up at the top it says done and shows you your address, so you're good to earn money. Now let me show you how to get a job. Gonna click the escape button to get into your maps. We're gonna click on it again and then scroll out with the mouse wheel. Come up here to the American flag right there, America. Click on it, hit enter, and then you got a GPS on your little map down in the corner. Gonna jump back on the bike with the F button, and we're gonna ride into the sunset. Now when you're riding your bike, you can hold the shift button and the caps button, and it'll make him pedal super hard, get you there a little quicker. All right, so we made it to the city hall. This is where we're gonna go get a job. Gonna run inside the building. Once you take a right, you're gonna see this nice lady sitting behind the desk. Walk up to her, hit the E button, and she's gonna give you an opportunity to buy your identity. You can get a driver's license or just an ID card. I'm gonna get the driver's license so I can legally drive in the city. We're gonna grab an employment, which is going to be the garbage collector, because that one pays pretty well, as I've seen so far, and I'm sick of driving trucks from down south, you know what I mean? That shit gets old after a while. All right, let's get out of here. We're gonna find the location we need to go to, which is the trash pickup. So we're gonna click on the maps, we're gonna scroll down, click on the garbage truck, hit the enter button, and then GPS is locked in. All right, man, we made it. So now we're gonna get off our bike. We're gonna go see this nice garbage man up here. If you don't sign up for the job, you won't see this guy. Gonna hit the E button to interact with him. Gonna click request route because we need to work. Once you click request route, it's gonna pop you in your own garbage truck. Smells like total shit, not gonna lie. But we're gonna follow the GPS to our first pickup. The space is your e-brake, by the way. These things have a terrible turning radius, so just be mindful. So now, fun fact for you, the more you damage the truck, the less money you make, and the entire point of this roleplay server is to act like this is real life. You don't do things like run people over and all that kind of stuff, especially if you wouldn't do that in your normal everyday life. All right, man, we made it. Just backing in. I can't really drive too well, but hey, is what it is, man. Tractors are different than this thing. Run over to the garbage pail. We're gonna pick up the trash. And we're gonna stand behind the truck and hold the E button. It's gonna throw that bag right in there. That's gonna tell you how many bags are left. We got 4, so I gotta get all these. All right, man, it's starting thunder and lightning out. We picked up all the trash. We're gonna get back in the truck. Now, there is another location that pops up on your GPS, but you do not have to go to it. If you're done working, you just click on the maps. You want to click back on the garbage truck, go back and return the truck so you can collect payment. So that's what we're gonna do, because I ain't working anymore today, man. Man, some crazy thunderstorms now. Tell you what, never seen it this bad. All right, so we made it back. We're just gonna pull this pig in, gonna jump out. We're gonna run up, get our money, and get the hell out of here. I don't like thunderstorms, man. Creeps me out. Gonna hit E, collect paycheck, and you can see $449 in my bank account. Now, if you hit the escape button, usually it tells you up here. I don't know what's going on, but if you go to the ATM, you actually do have money in your bank. So you can withdraw it, go buy clothes, go try to buy a car. There's plenty of things you can do with money, but that is what the city revolves around, obviously, just like everything else in real life. So hopefully this helps you guys figure out how to play this game. It's kind of neat when you actually do the roleplay stuff. If you're not into it, totally understand, but hopefully this helps some of you guys kick this thing off right.
So what do you guys think of this new proof of gaming on GTA? I think it's awesome. NEOXA is going somewhere, hopefully in the near future. I mean, this project has just been taken off from the ground up with Minecraft, Rust, and now GTA 5. I only see big things coming for this in the next bull run, so not financial advice, but I definitely advise you guys to get a bag, just in case. If it goes somewhere, then you'll thank me. If it doesn't, oh well, you didn't lose much. At least you had fun with your friends playing some games. So either way, guys, if this helped you out in any way, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like. And if you guys haven't seen this video, go check it out, and I'll catch you guys real soon. Peace.